Alright, so you know when I'm at East Rand 4x4, nice things is happening to Ubuntu. So if you want to see what we're doing now at East Rand 4x4, my favorite fitment center, let's go see. Let me go show you. Ubuntu is getting new toys. Thank you, Rieker. Let's do this. As you saw this morning, I was at East Rand 4x4. And I must tell you that, in my humble opinion, I think Ubuntu is one of the best kitted out overland cruisers in Africa, if not in the world. So I had this thing in mind, and I draw a picture and I said to Rieker, hierdie wil ek glad maak en my boetie kan vir my die ding maak. And Rieker said, George, you can draw it, I can make it. But I'm going to give you a quick run around of what is behind it. This is the Trans Africa kitchen. So let's go. Now this is where the magic happens. How beautiful is this? So first of all, we have this, which is the pantry. So this thing slides out. Let's come this side. Let's show them this side. So the pantry, it's a little bit deurmekaar now. So there's a lot of this is going into this, but this is how it is now. So this is the pull out pantry on this side. Of course, come this side, This is my Nespresso button. Bzzz, next one. This is the coffee fabric. In the morning we drink Nespresso. So this is gonna move. So first of all, let me show you all of this. This is gonna come into this. So those foam insert cutouts is gonna be the knives, the forks, the opener, all the utensils, cutting and cooking utensils is coming into this. But this is the East Rand 4x4 Rieker created Johnny. So how you open this, you pull on that and then you pull this open. And just look at what we have here. There's the road chef for making all the Trans Africa dishes. And there's my microwave for reheating and cooking all the Johnnies, permanently fixed. And up here is all the bakker and tupper and so all of this is in this drawer. So this locks here in place. This bottom drawer is all the foodstuffs, all the lekker. And this is the fridge. This is the Trans Africa fridge, a little bit deurmekaar, but that is it. So trust me on this one. If you want anything custom made, from a drawer system that goes into your 200 cruiser, your 100, your Hilux, and there's a lot of cruisers here. This is Cruiser Central. Rieker from East Rand 4x4. That is your go-to guy. I promise you, he made this from a drawing. So it doesn't get better than this. Adventure gear, East Rand 4x4. Hierdie Johnnies. Hulle maak uit. So if you can draw it, I promise you, Rieker will make it. So Dickus, what do you think of this setup, huh?
Pragtig.
Huh, bro?
Ja, dis baie mooi.
It looks like let's go tour, let's go
alles
camp,
mooi.
Huh? And there's 220 volts there for the microwave and the Nespresso. So man, I still can't believe this is mine. Huh? Can't believe. But anyways, I just wanted to show you.
Baie mooi. I can't believe that is mine.
Yeah, he wants one like this now.
Ek soek nou so ene.
So I hope you like it as much as I do. So God bless. Keep safe. Arrivari. Catch you on the flip side.